If you have a modern kitchen, that giant silver duct pipe completely ruins the aesthetic, and we have to spend a lot of money to cover it up. Until now, ductless chimneys were a terrible alternative because they forced you to spend thousands of rupees replacing the filters every 3 months. Not anymore. This is the Beyond Appliances plug-and-play ductless kitchen chimney, built by the exact same brand that supplies to commercial kitchens like KFC and ITC. So as expected, the core technology is built for heavy-duty frying. The team at Beyond Appliances kindly sent me this chimney to experience, and as always, opinions are my own. Like I mentioned earlier, the biggest complaint about ductless chimneys has been its recurring filter replacement costs. Because of the way ductless chimneys work, they don't throw smoke outside. They rely on charcoal filters to absorb the grease and odor and recirculate the air back in the kitchen. So, traditionally, because the filter did all the heavy lifting, it would need to be replaced every 3 to 6 months for effective operations, forcing us to spend thousands of rupees in replacements every single year. This plug-and-play chimney does it differently. Instead of standard carbon filters only, it uses a 5-stage filtration system along with a highly specialized active carbon filter. This makes the filter last for 4 full years. Beyond Appliances gives a 4-year warranty on the filter, so even if you think that your filter needs replacement, it is covered within warranty. This drastically reduces the long-term ownership cost. So how do you maintain it? The exterior can be cleaned regularly with a wet cloth. No need to call the service technician. Now, a common complaint with ductless chimneys is that the suction power is too low. This plug-and-play chimney comes with a 1400 cubic meter per hour suction power. But how does it compare with a ducted chimney? Let's do a quick check. As you can see again, the plug-and-play chimney is able to hold different thickness of paper with ease, demonstrating its powerful suction power. The plug-and-play chimney has 3 side vents to pull in heavy smoke and odor from the front and the sides. Since it predominantly uses carbon filters, the little bit of heat that the ducted chimney is extracted from the kitchen is not possible via a ductless chimney. Now, let's come to the ease of installation. This chimney requires only 2 screws to be mounted on the wall. It takes only about 10 minutes to mount it, plug it in and turn it on. Since the installation is so simple, it can easily be moved when you're changing homes, making it perfect for rental homes. As you can see, it is an aesthetic looking chimney, and being 60 centimeters in width, it is suitable for 3 and 4 burner kitchen stoves and hobs. The ideal location of the chimney should be about 60 centimeters from the stove or the hob. So given that there is adequate gap from the ceiling for warm air to exit without leaving heat marks, it is recommended to install the plug-and-play chimney with adequate spacing from the ceiling or the top of the shelf. With the plug-and-play chimney, you not only are saved from additional carpentry for covering up the chimney vent, you also save on installation like core cutting, cabinet cutting and installation, which totally costs around 3000 rupees. Installation of this chimney is just 300 rupees. The Beyond Appliances plug-and-play chimney is the most practical, low-maintenance alternative that is available in the market right now. It removes the installation headache and the expensive recurring filter costs. You can check the current price of the chimney from the product that I have tagged over here or in the description. It has a 4-year warranty on the filter, 10 years on the motor and 2 years comprehensive warranty. When your filters are up for replacement, it costs around 2000 rupees and can be purchased directly from the brand. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.